So I couldn't resist. I came back out here. And let's see if she's still there. The queen was actually spottable. Let's see. I can't believe it. It's like, holy shit, the queen is right there at the door. Come on, guys, get out of the way. So I'm waiting until I can see the queen again. Right now, I do not see her. All I see are workers. But her body is much longer. And I want to say her wings had more of a white glisten to it with the light reflection. Whereas these were a little more yellowed. I had to go back inside and grab my phone because I was like, I didn't expect to see anything different. But when I spotted that queen, oh, is that her? Very long thorax. That might be her. Is it? Yeah. I think that's the queen right there. See the workers are working around. Because she was like 2 times, almost, it seemed like a little larger than 2 times larger than these workers. And that's what kind of helped me spot her. But if I get a beehive, and this hive is still here, I'll find a way to put a hive nearby this so they can hopefully move their home, or when they split, I can capture them. Oh, they're so fascinating to watch. I don't understand why people are so scared of them and have to swat at them. They're just trying to find their way. They're lost. They mean you no harm unless you cause them harm, and if they're Africanized, yeah, Africanized ones definitely would not be allowing me to come this close and talk. They hate vibration. So freaking entertaining. I'm a bit sticky. I got the honey sugar high. This is your kids after they eat their Halloween candy. But you tell them, it's bedtime. They are everywhere they should be until they start to calm down, then they go. Okay, close up, guys. I'm gonna bring you guys right up. Look at that. Can you get their tongues working? Shit, that's fucking awesome. Look at them, look it up. Fucking tongues working like crazy. That one's cleaning the other one. That's fucking awesome. Oh shit. Love your close up, guys. Okay, I'll back away slowly. I got 2 bees on my phone. See, I just became a threat being that close. I was literally like an inch away from the hole. Well, good night. I'm not going to pester them anymore.